Giving us a rare insight into family life in the UK, documentary Happy Families continues tonight at 9. Now, it's the ITV News and weather. We're sorry for the disruption. We're working hard to fix the issue.
We are interrupting your normal programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's Government. Please stand by for further information. We are interrupting your normal programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's Government. Please stand by for further information. Moments ago, astronomers from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration noticed a strange black dot in the Oort cloud in the edges of our solar system. It is currently unknown if this poses a threat to human civilization or not. The United Kingdom government and other world authorities are working together to determine the nature of this situation. As we don't fully understand this phenomena, it is advised that you stay indoors to keep yourself and your family safe. Do not use telephone networks. They should be kept open for government use. Using your telephone could possibly hinder our efforts. If someone you know is currently out in public, do not contact them. They will be informed of the situation by police forces and will be instructed to return home. If your child is at school, they will be returned home shortly. We have no more information to bring you at this time. Please stay tuned and await further information. We have some new information to bring you. The black dot has been confirmed to be some sort of planet-like object. It is moving at 99.99% the speed of light, and it's 0.03 light-years away, meaning it will reach the Earth in approximately 210 hours. NASA has detected life on board the planet-like object, meaning this is an alien species coming towards Earth. Their intentions are currently unknown. Our advice stays the same. Stay indoors, stockpile supplies and wait for further information. We have some new information to bring you. Although initially thought impossible, the spacecraft has somehow exceeded the speed of light. It is now going at 500% the speed of light, or 1,498,962,290 meters a second. As such, the arrival of the aliens in Earth's orbit has been revised to approximately 47 hours. It is clear that the aliens have much more advanced technology than us. Because of this, if the aliens are hostile, it will likely be the end of human civilization as we know it. We have no more information to bring you at this time. Please stay tuned and await further information. Unfortunately, it has come to our attention that the aliens have hostile intentions. The spacecraft has begun outputting an extreme amount of energy directed towards Earth. This is some sort of laser beam. As such, you are advised to say your final goodbyes. There is nothing we can do to prevent this. If you have family nearby, cherish your final moments with them. Alternatively, do an activity that brings you comfort. If you would like to die on your own accord, suicide is permitted. Please do not commit suicide if you have family. Do not bring them distress in their final moments of life. That is all from us at the ITV. We hope your death is as peaceful and dignified as possible. We will now end off with the national anthem.